this question was asked in GATE CS 2017 set 1 question number 16. The following functional dependency hold true for relational schema R V W X Y Z. Functional dependency is given. Which of the following is irreducible equivalent for this set of functional dependency, and 4 options are given. Option A, V implies W. It's directly from this functional dependency. Then V implies X. So you need to find V positive closure. V positive closure will be V. Then V implies W, so you can add W. VW implies X, you can add X. So V positive closure contain X. That's why this functional dependency holds. Then Y implies V. So Y positive closure will be Y, V, X, Z. As it contains V, so this functional dependency hold. Next, Y implies Z. Z is there at right side, so this functional dependency hold. So option A is equivalent. Next option B, V implies W. This is same, it come directly. Next, W implies X. Find W positive closure. W positive closure equals to W. So it doesn't contain X, that's why W implies X functional dependency cannot hold. Next, Y implies V, yes. Then Y implies Z, yes. This can hold. Y implies Z, that is directly present in the functional dependency. Y implies V, we can get from Y positive closure. So due to this, W implies X, this is not implied by the given FT. Next option C, V implies W, it's directly come. Then V implies X, yes, this hold. Then Y implies V, yes. Y implies X, yes. Y implies Z, yes. If you see, there is Y implication V, V implication X, then Y implication X. So it's a transitive functional dependency, or we can say it's a repetition, it's a redundant. Next option D, V implication W, yes, it exists. W implies X, it doesn't exist as W positive closure, just contain W. Then Y implies V, this exists. Y implies X, this exists. Y implies Z, this come directly from the functional dependency. Due to this, W implied X, option B and option D are not true. And in option C, there is redundancy present, there is transitive dependency present, hence answer will be option A. So minimal cover of dependency are in option A. Answer will be option A. I already discussed functional dependency, how to find positive closure, how to check which functional dependency hold or not. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.